SOAR Pack Guardian ran a fresh API key pack analysis for Microsoft Teams from Marketplace version 1.4.70 to 1.5.52. The API report returns CVE risk evidence for CVE-2026-0234, with the affected range documented as 1.5.0 through 1.5.51. The risk report table shows the pack, CVE, severity, status, risk type, summary, and description from the API report. The analysis results table shows the version path and break-fix result from the pack analysis. The CISO and GRC report rows translate the same finding into business impact, decision priority, and control family. The incident response and SecOps rows keep the operational view visible for response planning and pack governance. The impacted components diagram emphasizes the Microsoft Teams integration, the CVE finding, the version path, and the stakeholder outputs connected by the report. The same run produced stakeholder report rows for CISO, GRC, incident response, and SecOps. Schedule a free demo with your data today at www.soarpackguardian.com.